Hey, what is going on, guys? It's Tom, and right now I am out of power. Yeah, real funny, Dad. Yeah, so I'm out of power, and best part of it all, I was midway through doing bread. So, oh, we're kind of like makeshifting ideas. So, I noticed that we've got a old cooking style stove for a fireplace. So, pretty much right now I am attempting to do bread on top of our oven or stove. So as you can see, I've got a little whole thing of bread in there. Here, and I've got a couple of like high pans to kind of hold heat in. And I am trying to, by the freaking gods, hope, succeed in this. But considering I'm on this topic right now, how the idea for doing this is actually still used in reality. If you go to a lot of bread places in both Europe and some of the US, you'll actually find out that they use a wood burning oven, and because in their eyes it gives a better taste than a gas burning one, which I actually tasted both. You do get a distinct flavor out of something that is cooked over a wood burning oven and stuff that is done with gas. Yes. So, it's kind of an interesting thing. And the idea actually goes as far back as many people can remember. Or with bread. So, it's kind of fun. Well, anyway. Hope you guys enjoyed this. It's pretty much, I just thought this was kind of a fun thing to put on, since it goes hand in hand with what I do. Again, as always, like, comment, and subscribe down below, and have fun with this.